In this video lesson, we're going to tune the guitar, go over a few parts of the guitar, learn a D chord. So let's start with the basic parts of the guitar, just to get familiar with the guitar. The parts: head, neck, sound box. Each part of the neck is divided into frets. The metal pieces are the frets, and you're numbering them 1, 2, 3, 4. The fret spaces are where we put our hands to play chords. Of course, the tuners adjust the pitch of the strings. Of course, on a guitar there's 6 strings. The largest string is E, and the bottom string, the smallest string, is E, an octave apart or 8 notes apart. The best thing to do starting each lesson is, of course, tune your guitar, and we're going to work on that in just a second. The sound hole on an acoustic guitar, when you strum a chord, the strings vibrate, the sound goes in the sound box, and of course that's what makes us be able to hear it at a good tone. The bridge and the end pins hold the strings. Of course, at the end of the guitar there's a place for a strap holder, and some guitars have another strap holder here, but I tie mine around the neck. The pick guard is a piece of plastic that protects your guitar, the wood of your guitar, from the pick. So that's just some basic beginning things, parts of the guitar. The next thing we're going to do is strum each string. The first string is E, A, D, G, B, and another E. And of course I have a tuner on the headstock of my guitar. Tuner, you can get several different types. You tune a guitar to 440 standard tuning. So it's very important when you start your lesson or start to learn to play the guitar that you start with an instrument that is in tune. You can check your tuning either with a phone app, a guitar electric tuner, or another instrument. Right now we're going to try to learn a D chord. That's our first chord that we learn in beginning guitar. So we're going to name our fingers 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course our thumb we don't number right now, but we're going to learn how to put our fingers on the strings. You hold the fingers with the tips of your finger. Hold your strings with the tips of your finger. And what we're going to do is play a D chord, 2nd fret. So we count 1, 2. Our first finger goes on the 3rd string. Our 2nd finger goes on the bottom string of the 2nd fret. And then our 3rd finger goes on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Now when we strum a downbeat, just like you were patting your foot. And we're going to start with the 4th string and strum down. And that makes our D chord. We're going to play 4 quarter notes, 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, let's do our fingering. First finger, 3rd string up from the bottom. 2nd finger, bottom string, 2nd fret. 3rd finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret. And we strum the bottom 4 strings to make a D chord. Down strum, steady beat. Now when you're practicing, if a string rattles or buzzes, just press a little harder. Get a good tone quality. After you get familiar with that, and it seems pretty easy, we're going to start strumming 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and down, up. Just a different strumming pattern. It's very important in rhythm guitar to keep a steady beat, and different songs have different time signatures. Basically, that means how many beats are in a measure. So a song can be in 2/4 time signature, and we would count 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. A song could be in 3/4 time signature, and we would count 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A song in 4/4 time signature, of course, we would count 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we're going to have a upbeat with it, a downstrum and upbeat beat, we would count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 let's review our lesson. Tuning of the guitar is very important. Top string is E. Next string, A. Next string would be D, G, B, and E. And the chord we learned in this lesson today was a D chord. D chord, we use first, second, and third finger, second fret, first finger, third string, second finger on the bottom string, second fret, and our third finger on the second string, third fret. Now we strum the bottom 4 strings because those are all the notes needed for a D chord. Our D chord lessons today.